Wait, before you scroll past, imagine an ATV that works like a truck, rides like a sport machine, and refuses to quit no matter where you take it. That's exactly what the new 2026 Honda Pioneer 1000 SR is bringing to the table, and today on Wheel-Wise Joe, we're breaking down why this machine is already turning heads. The 2026 Honda Pioneer 1000 SR is built for riders who want real muscle without sacrificing comfort or control. Honda has taken everything people loved about the Pioneer lineup and pushed it further. Right from the start, you feel that rugged Honda engineering. The powerful 999 cubic centimeters twin-cylinder engine delivers smooth but aggressive performance, giving you strong low-end torque for hauling, towing, or crawling through tough terrain, while still offering plenty of punch when you open the throttle. One of the standout features is the advanced dual-clutch transmission. This system gives you the choice between automatic convenience and manual control, so whether you're cruising trails or tackling heavy work, the Pioneer 1000 SR adapts instantly to your driving style. Shifting feels crisp, responsive, and confidence-inspiring even under load. Honda clearly focused on durability with this model. The reinforced chassis, upgraded suspension, and improved ground clearance mean the Pioneer 1000 SR is ready for rocks, mud, steep inclines, and long workdays. The suspension absorbs bumps smoothly, keeping the ride stable even when the terrain gets unpredictable. It's the kind of machine that feels planted and secure no matter what you throw at it. Inside, comfort hasn't been overlooked. The cabin layout feels practical and driver-focused, with supportive seating, easy-to-reach controls, and a solid, no-nonsense design. Visibility is excellent, which makes a huge difference when navigating tight trails or busy job sites. Honda has also improved noise and vibration control, making long rides noticeably more comfortable. Utility is where the Pioneer 1000 SR really shines. The tilting cargo bed is strong and versatile, perfect for tools, gear, or weekend adventure supplies. Towing capability remains impressive, making this ATV a reliable partner for both work and play. Whether you're on a farm, at a construction site, or exploring off-road trails, this machine is ready to perform. The 2026 Honda Pioneer 1000 SR isn't just an upgrade, it's a statement. It proves that an ATV can be tough, smart, and enjoyable to drive all at once. If you're looking for a machine that works hard during the week and dominates the trails on the weekend, this one deserves your attention. This is Wheel-Wise Joe, and this ATV is definitely wise on wheels.